Look at top SaaS launch videos from companies like Vercel or Linear. They don't just show static screen recordings. They use slick UI animations, 3D camera zooms, and motion graphics. The problem? Agencies charge up to $10,000 for motion graphics, and After Effects takes months to learn. In this step-by-step guide, I'm going to show you how to take a simple screenshot or raw screen capture and turn it into a viral, agency-grade SaaS animation using Ngram in under 3 minutes. Step 1. Head over to ngram.com and claim your 600 free starter credits, no credit card needed. Instead of spending hours setting keyframes, you just drag and drop your raw screencast, website link, or Figma frame into the AI chat. Ngram's AI engine automatically reads your interface, identifies key interaction points, and plans the motion graphics storyboard. Step 2. Customize your animation using simple chat prompts. You don't touch a timeline. You just tell the AI agent what you want. Add smart zooms to the analytics dashboard. Apply Photomotion to make this still screenshot feel like video. Or add animated callout boxes over our main feature button. Ngram smooths out shaky cursor drifts, trims dead air, and applies cinematic motion overlays automatically. Step 3. Export your viral animation kit. Ngram doesn't just hand you an MP4. From one single prompt thread, it exports your 16:9 main launch video, a 9:16 vertical clip for social media, and a lightweight animated GIF for your email newsletter or changelog. Stop paying thousands to animation agencies or shipping flat, boring screen recordings. Head over to ngram.com right now, claim your 600 free starter credits, and start creating viral SaaS animations today. Hit that subscribe button on at ngram_AI for weekly AI video growth hacks.